Are you struggling to find the perfect blender that can handle everything from smoothies to hot soups? Have you ever wondered why professional chefs consistently choose Vitamix? Today, I'm sharing my comprehensive testing experience with the top 7 Vitamix blenders that have transformed my kitchen adventures. After months of rigorous testing, countless smoothies, and numerous batches of soup, I'm excited to reveal which models truly stand out and why. 7. Vitamix Immersion Blender. The Vitamix Immersion Blender represents a significant departure from traditional countertop models, offering unparalleled versatility in a compact form. During my extensive testing period, this 625-watt powerhouse consistently impressed me with its ability to transform hot soups directly in the pot and create silky smooth purees with minimal effort. What truly sets this immersion blender apart is its thoughtful design elements. The ergonomic handle fits comfortably in hand, even during extended blending sessions, while the LED display provides clear feedback about speed settings. The scratch-resistant blade guard proved to be more than just marketing speak. After months of use, my cookware remains unmarked, yet the blending performance hasn't compromised. The 4-pronged blade design creates an impressive vortex effect that pulls ingredients toward the blades, ensuring consistent results. I've found this particularly effective when blending fibrous vegetables like kale and celery for green smoothies. The stainless steel construction feels substantial and durable, inspiring confidence in its longevity. One aspect that particularly impressed me was the variable speed control. Unlike many immersion blenders that offer just 2 or 3 speeds, this model provides 5 distinct settings, allowing for precise texture control. Whether I'm making a chunky salsa or a velvety butternut squash soup, achieving the desired consistency is effortless. Number 6. Vitamix E310 Explorian Blender. The E310 Explorian has proven itself as an exceptional entry point into the world of high-performance blending. Its 48-ounce container strikes an ideal balance between capacity and counter-friendly size, making it perfect for small to medium-sized households. The 2.0 horsepower motor, while not the most powerful in the Vitamix lineup, handles challenging ingredients with remarkable efficiency. During my testing, I put this blender through its paces with everything from frozen fruit smoothies to nut butters. The variable speed control, ranging from 1 to 10, provides precise texture manipulation. I found the lower speeds perfect for chopping vegetables for salsa, while the highest settings create the smoothest smoothies imaginable. The radial cooling fan and thermal protection system are not just marketing features. They're essential components that ensure this blender's longevity. During particularly demanding tasks, like making nut butter, I noticed how effectively the cooling system prevented overheating, allowing for extended blending sessions without concern. The hardened stainless steel blades maintain their sharpness impressively well. After months of daily use, they show no signs of dulling. The blade friction can heat soups to steaming hot in about 6 minutes, a feature I've come to rely on for quick weeknight meals. 5. Vitamix 5200 Blender. The 5200 stands as a testament to Vitamix's commitment to quality and performance. This classic model features a tall 64-ounce container that's ideal for large families or batch preparation. The 2.2 HP motor generates enough power to pulverize even the most challenging ingredients, from ice to frozen fruit, without straining. The variable speed control on the 5200 offers unparalleled precision. During my testing, I discovered that the lower speeds are perfect for creating chunky salsas and dips, while the highest settings can turn raw vegetables into perfectly smooth purees in seconds. The ability to adjust speeds mid-blend allows for creating complex textures that other blenders simply can't achieve. One of the most impressive features is the spill-proof vented lid with its removable plug. This design allows for safely adding ingredients mid-blend and effectively releases steam when blending hot soups. The tamper tool, included with the blender, proves invaluable for processing thick mixtures like nut butters and frozen desserts. The self-cleaning feature deserves special mention. A drop of dish soap and warm water, blended for 60 seconds, leaves the container spotless. This simple yet effective cleaning method has saved me countless hours of scrubbing and disassembly that other blenders require. Number 4. Vitamix A3500 Ascent Series Smart Blender. The A3500 represents the perfect fusion of traditional Vitamix power with modern smart technology. During my testing period, this model consistently demonstrated why it's considered a breakthrough in blending technology. The touchscreen interface isn't just aesthetically pleasing, it's highly responsive and practical, even with wet hands in a busy kitchen. The built-in wireless connectivity transformed my blending experience by providing access to the Vitamix Perfect Blend app. This feature opened up a world of recipes and automated blending programs that take the guesswork out of preparation. I've found the automatic blade detection particularly impressive. It recognizes the container size and adjusts blending parameters accordingly. The clear lid, with its built-in digital timer, has proven invaluable for achieving consistent results. Whether making smoothie bowls or hot soups, the timer ensures perfect texture every time. The 5 program settings, smoothies, hot soups, dips and spreads, frozen desserts, and self-cleaning, have been carefully calibrated to deliver optimal results without monitoring. The low-profile 64-ounce container deserves special mention. Its design allows it to fit under standard kitchen cabinets while maintaining the capacity for large batches. The container's wide base creates a more efficient vortex, pulling ingredients into the blades more effectively than traditional narrow containers. 3. Vitamix Black A2300 Ascent Series. The A2300 strikes an impressive balance between advanced features and user-friendly operation. During my testing, this model proved itself as a workhorse in the kitchen, handling everything from morning smoothies to evening soup preparations with remarkable consistency. The digital timer display became an unexpected favorite feature, allowing precise control over blending duration. The built-in wireless connectivity does more than just connect to recipes. It enables the blender to recognize container sizes and adjust blend settings automatically. This smart feature prevented overprocessing and ensured consistent results across different batch sizes. The variable speed control, combined with the pulse feature, provides precise texture control that I found essential for creating everything from chunky salsas to silky smoothies. The motor base's cooling system is particularly noteworthy. Even during demanding tasks like making nut butter or processing frozen ingredients, the motor maintained optimal temperature without requiring cool-down periods. The automatic overload protection provided peace of mind during intensive blending sessions. 2. Vitamix A3500 Ascent Series. The A3500 exemplifies Vitamix's commitment to innovation and performance. The touchscreen interface is not only beautiful, but also incredibly practical, responding instantly to commands even in messy kitchen situations. During my testing, the programmable timer proved invaluable for achieving consistent results across various recipes. The 5 program settings are thoughtfully designed and perfectly calibrated. The smoothie setting, for instance, starts slow and gradually increases speed, creating the perfect vortex for optimal ingredient incorporation. The hot soup setting runs long enough to heat ingredients through blade friction alone, reaching steaming temperatures without a stovetop. The premium finishes and build quality are immediately apparent. The metal drive system provides durability that plastic alternatives can't match, while the clear container allows easy monitoring of the blending process. The self-detect technology consistently recognizes different container sizes, adjusting blend settings automatically for optimal results. 1. Vitamix Professional Series 750 Blender. The Professional Series 750 stands as the ultimate expression of Vitamix's blending expertise. This model combines professional-grade performance with user-friendly features that make it suitable for both home chefs and professional kitchens. The pre-programmed settings have been meticulously calibrated through countless hours of testing to deliver perfect results every time. The 2.2 HP motor is a marvel of engineering, providing consistent power while maintaining surprisingly quiet operation thanks to enhanced sound dampening. During my testing, it handled everything from crushing ice to processing tough root vegetables without straining. The metal drive system proved incredibly durable, showing no signs of wear even after months of daily use. The low-profile container design is particularly well thought out, fitting under standard kitchen cabinets while maintaining the capacity for large batches. The hardened stainless steel blades create an incredibly efficient vortex, pulling ingredients down for consistent blending without requiring frequent tamping. Perhaps most impressive is the versatility of this model. The precise speed control allows for everything from gentle chopping to high-speed pureeing, while the automated programs take the guesswork out of common blending tasks. The self-cleaning cycle is remarkably effective, requiring only warm water and a drop of soap to restore the container to like-new condition in 60 seconds. Final thought. After extensive testing of these 7 models, it's clear that Vitamix maintains its reputation for excellence across its entire range. Whether you're a professional chef or a home cooking enthusiast, there's a Vitamix model that will exceed your expectations and revolutionize your culinary capabilities.